Hello everybody and welcome to Augulis vlog.
I would just like to stop a second to take off.
I think we're gonna go into the shade now, aren't we?
A little bit.
This is my happy face.
What is your happy face, mom?
Huh?
This is the happy face of mom. What you found here?
A picture.
A picture?
Epic picture, guys.
Yeah?
Definitely.
Look at this.
But not with me in it.
Wow, the clouds are coming in. What do you think?
We're waiting for them.
You're doing good, Sasha. Depressness. Yep. What do you think, amigo?
I cannot.
About the beach and the hike so far?
Epic.
Yeah?
Well, it's amazing. It's like a dream, really. I mean, you start from the mountains with one climate, one nature, one flora. So different. You go through the goats and the lizards and the what's called the light. Oh, it's called the sea light. The thing on top there that we saw.
Lighthouse.
Lighthouse, and then you go down and you find this little hidden village where you can swim naked. Never joined.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
What happened?
The same finger that it was. True. Fuck. I really did some damage. Tava? Doing great, doing perfect. Don't rush. It's okay, we have time.
Next time we go on the beach.
Good. Sport is also good, beneficial to the health. When actually this hike should be minimum 3 to 4 hours
Yes.
of walking, yeah. And we already in 2 hours and 15 minutes.
So please, they were so fast, the couple.
Yeah,
Have you seen?
no.
Oh my god, they were so fast.
That's good.
Training.
Training. We do small rest here. How are you?
Doing absolutely wonderfully. As you can see behind me, there is a fantastically beautiful view, which honestly you cannot put into words. So next time you're in Tenerife, please come visit this amazing hike. Tai va, nežinau, ką tau pasakyti. Tik tai, kad aš esu nuostabi. Ir
Turn on. Okay. Okay.
Ще така, ну.